Hello, boys and girls. Today you're going to learn all about me, Miss Cunningham. So I am super excited to be working with you and learning from you because everyone learns every day, and I'm so excited to learn about you and learn what you need and what you enjoy and just a bunch of that type of stuff. So this is me. On the left is me after church one Sunday in a park, just having a good time with my family. It's one thing you'll know about me is that I love my family. They are very important to me, and that is something that should be important to everyone is your family. Love your family. On the right, you see a picture of me in a shirt you'll probably see me in quite often because I love wolf polka dots. This is just a professional photo, just that I use for applications and all that kind of stuff. You'll learn about that when you get a little older. This is a page of important people to me. As you can see, I have a lot of important people in my life, and this doesn't even scratch the surface, but these are a few of the most important ones. So here in this top left corner is my fiance and I. We just got engaged on July the 4th. So that is super exciting. We will be getting married next year. So wish us luck. His name is Cody. You might see him when things go back to normal, come around every now and then. I might have him come in sometimes. This is me and my siblings. I have three younger siblings. This is Rebecca. She's 16. She is a junior in high school. She's taller than me, which drives me crazy. This is my brother Pete. He's 7. He is like my little sidekick. You'll probably notice the pictures of him on my desk when you come into school. He is a little silly sometimes, but most kids are. This is Gabrielle. She is 10. She loves her chickens. She has chickens and she raised them from the time they were little babies all the way to now. They're laying eggs now. So she loves her chickens. And that's just a little bit about her. This is my best friend and myself. This is Tori. She is going to be a bridesmaid in my wedding. This is my mom and dad. My dad is a dairy farmer. We milk about 70 cows. That's what I do on the weekend is I help him on the farm. This is my mom. She works for a Christmas tree farm. She works in the office. She does payroll and that kind of stuff. This is another one of my best friends, Marla. We have been friends for about 3 years. We ran track together. This is me actually in my uniform for cross country and track in college. She is also going to be a bridesmaid in my wedding, so that's exciting. These are my grandparents. This is my pappy, and this is my grandma. They are my mom's parents. This is also me at a cross-country meet, so that's something that you'll know about me is that I love running. So here are things I do. Running, like I just said. I teach, obviously. I'm here teaching you. Isn't it great? And this is the type of cows we have on our farm. This is something that I do on the weekends. Well, my free time is I help my dad on the farm. These are Jersey cows, so they're brown. They're really cute. I'll probably show you more pictures of them later. Some of my favorite things. I love a nice, big, fat, juicy steak. Best thing about it is when you have those juices and you can like dip it in those juices. Best thing about it. A York peppermint patty. I just love the sensation of the peppermint with the chocolate. Cheesecake. Homemade cheesecake is hard to beat for a dessert. And this movie, the new Dr. Seuss's The Grinch, the animated one, I absolutely love it. It's the cutest little movie. I love the little dog. He's so cute. Little Max. Oh my gosh. So now it is your turn. On your Google assignments, I have assigned you a little survey questionnaire worksheet for you to do so I can get to know you and some of your likes and interests and such as that. If you have anything you want to add, please email me with those, or any questions, please email me with those.